Happy morning, students. Let us come to today's topic, fibers. Fibers are divided into two types, natural fiber and synthetic or man-made fiber. Fibers. What is fibers? The fiber is a thin thread-like structure that combines to form animal or plant tissues, or a thin thread-like structure made of synthetically or from minerals. Fiber belong to another important class of polymer. Let us know about natural fiber. Come from natural fiber, growing sources both plant and animal. In animal, wool and silk. In plant, we get cotton. Any hair-like raw material directly obtainable from the animal, vegetable and mineral source that can be conveyable after spinning into yarns and then to fabric. And next one, cotton. Coming to cotton. Cotton is a soft, fluffy, stable fiber. Okay, cotton is a soft, see students, cotton is a soft, fluffy and stable fiber that grows in a ball, okay, or protective capsule around the seeds. Cotton plants of the genus Gossypium. Okay, students, can we able to see the seeds? Seeds of cotton, the seeds. Okay. And the fiber is almost pure cellulose. Under natural conditions, the cotton balls will tend to increase the dispersion of seeds. Let us come to ginning process. The cotton is transported to a ginning usage machine of ginning machine, and once a cotton has arrived at the gin, the cotton is vacuumed into tubes that carry into a dryer. For the ginning process, the cotton must be at a moisture level of 5%. The cotton is dried in a dryer. Then the cotton gets blown along with warm air to the pre-cleaning area through the several stages of cleaning equipment to remove leaf, trash and sticks, dirt and other foreign materials. See students, I am going to show another example for cotton. So this is a cotton. Already you know this is a cotton. Yes. And next one, spinning. Next one, spinning. This is a process by which fibers are converted into yarn. Next process is yarn to fabrics. First, what is yarn? Fibers are spun together to make yarns. And come to fabrics. Material made by joining yarns through weaving or knitting is called fabrics. Yarn to fabrics. Next one is jute. Jute is also known as golden fiber. It grows well on alluvial soil and requires high temperature, rainfall and humid climate. Its leading producer are India and Bangladesh. See students, this is the example for jute. This bag is made of jute fiber, and this is another example for jute. And next one, coir, also known as coconut fiber. Coir is a product which extracted from outer shell of the coconut fruit. Yes, outer shell of the coconut fruit. It is used in a variety of ways worldwide, being especially popular for rope and matting. Coir comes from matted fibrous layer found between the inner and outer husk of coconut. This is the example for coir. So, plant pot. Okay, coir. And next one, synthetic or man-made fiber. Synthetic or man-made fiber. The fiber is made by human beings are called synthetic fiber. A synthetic fiber is a type of chain of small unit is actually a chemical substance. Many small units combine to form a large unit. This is called polymer. This is the example for synthetic fiber or else man-made fiber. Thank you, students.